Good morning to all of us. Today, I would like to discuss about network security, keeping your digital fortress secure. So what is network security? Network security safeguards your digital assets and protects them from unauthorized access, cyber attacks, and data breaches. It's crucial for business and individuals alike. So what is the purpose of network security? Network security is protecting data, safeguard sensitive information from unauthorized access and breaches. Next, ensures availability, maintain network uptime and prevent disruptions from attack like DDoS. Next, secure network resources, control access to network devices and services. Next purpose, prevent unauthorized access, block intrusions and unauthorized users access. Next, monitor traffic, detect and respond to suspicious activity or threats in real time. The last one is the compliance, meet regulatory requirements for data protection and privacy. In overall, network security aims to create a secure environment for data and communications. One of the common types of the network security is the firewall, the gatekeeper protecting your network. Filtering traffic. A firewall acts as a barrier between your network and the outside world, examining incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined rules. Blocking threats. It blocks unauthorized access attempts, malicious software, and other threats, safeguarding your network from unwanted intrusions. Examples of firewalls. It includes hardware firewalls, software firewalls, and cloud firewalls. These firewalls help protect networks by controlling incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined security rules. Next is the intrusion detection and prevention. Vigilant guardians against threats. 1. Detect anomalies. IDS constantly monitors network traffic for suspicious patterns and activities that indicate potential threats. 2. Alerting administrators. When an intrusion is detected, the system alerts network administrators, allowing them to investigate and take appropriate actions. 3. Blocking attacks. IPS goes a step further by actively blocking malicious traffic and preventing attacks from reaching their targets. Next, network security is the VPN. Secure connections across the wide open internet. Privacy. VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it difficult for third parties to intercept or monitor your online activity. Security. It hides your real IP address, providing an extra layer of protection against cyber criminals and hackers. Access restriction. VPN allows you to bypass geo restriction and access content that might be unavailable in your location. Purpose of VPN. A VPN or virtual private network serves the following purposes. 1. Secure remote access allows users to connect to a private network securely over the internet. Number 2. Data encryption encrypts the internet for traffic to protect sensitive information from the eavesdropping. 3. Privacy protection hides your user's IP address, enhancing online anonymity. 4. Bypass geo restrictions allow access to content blocked in certain regions. 5. Network security protects data from cyber threats when using public Wi-Fi. Examples of VPN. Number 1 is the NordVPN. NordVPN, a popular service that offers strong encryption, a large server network, and features like ad blocking and malware protection. This facilitates secure browsing and access to resources from anywhere. And the last one is encryption and tunneling protocols, cloaking your data's journey. Encryption. Data is transformed into an unreadable format, making it incomprehensible to unauthorized individuals. Tunneling. Tunneling data is transmitted through a secure and private channel, often over a public network, ensuring its confidentiality. Cage exchange. Secure protocols like TLS or SSL enable the secured exchange of encryption keys between communicating parties. Purpose of encryption and tunneling protocols. Encryption. Data protection. Secures sensitive information by converting it into unreadable formats for unauthorized access. Integrity. Ensures data has not been altered during transmission. Confidentiality. Keeps information private between the sender and receiver. Tunneling protocols. Secure communication. Creates a private tunnel for data to travel securely over a public network. Next is protocol encapsulation. Allows different protocols to be secure transmitted over the internet. And that's all. Thank you.